Adding patient. In this module, we'll go through a demonstration on how to search and create a new patient. You can log into the system using any browser. In this case, I'm using Chrome. On the left bar, you'll see two options for patients. The first option is to add a new patient, and the other option is to view existing patients in the database. So we'll click here to see how this works. Under the View Patients menu, you'll be able to browse patients that have been added under your account. You can search by various parameters, including patient's name, personal health number, and gender. Let's go to the New Patient menu. In here, you'll need to enter the parameters required by MSP. There are 5 required fields in this menu. They are patient's PHN, date of birth, healthcare type, name, and gender. For the healthcare type, you have 4 choices. First, MSP patients. 99% of the time, you'll be using this option, and it's been set as the default. This is for British Columbia residents who receive medical benefits covered by MSP. Second, out of province. This is for Canadian patients who are not from BC or Quebec. MSP covers medically necessary services for Canadian citizens who have health coverage from another province. Please note that addresses are required for out-of-province patients. Third, private billing, which is for out-of-country patients and Quebec patients. Keep in mind that for private billing, we will not be submitting anything to MSP. You will need to bill your patient directly by sending them a private invoice requesting payment for your services. The reason we've added private billing is so that you can easily reconcile all your claims in one place. It allows you to track all your patients, irrespective if they are private or MSP covered, by generating reports from our system. Lastly, incarcerated. This is for incarcerated patients. Now let me create an MSP patient. Once your account is connected with Teleplan, you'll have the ability to use the Check Eligibility function to check patients' real-time MSP coverage. The patient's name will also be automatically populated with a PHN and date of birth entered. We now have the option to save and enter a claim. We want to enter a claim for this patient, so we'll click here and it will take us to the claim page where we can enter the claim information. If you're trying to enter a patient's profile that you have already entered previously, a message will pop up and tell you the patient already exists once you enter the patient's PHN. You can simply click Create New Claim to enter a new claim for this patient.